from Bershka, leather shorts from H&M. This is from Forever 21. And my nail, this choker is from Forever 21. This earring is H&M. This is the last year's Coachella collection. I really want to go to Coachella in the future. I want to go. My makeup is really simple. Rosy color blusher from Sephora. Kat Von D lip red and violet color eye makeup. Yeah, this is today's OOTD and makeup. Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Emma. Today I prepared kind of new series I planned showing my OOTD, and just after that I'm talking about a specific topic I want to share with you guys. There are so many bunch of different kind of topics I want to share, so I just wrote down my ideas in this paper. Today I want to share how to wake up early. Wake up early is really important if you want to have a full life. Just my personal opinion. And whenever I read a lot of self-help books, morning habit is the most important thing. So I just want to share some tips and hacks to wake up early in the morning. The first tip is going bed early. I usually go to bed 10-11 p.m. So after just get home, I just go to right after bathroom and have a shower, and then just go straight to my bed and just sleep. I don't do any Instagram or Facebook or something because that hinders me falling asleep. Just my tip is going bed early. It's simple. Just don't do any social media. I know I'm kind of struggling because I love YouTube, so I watch a lot of YouTube videos. I usually watch ASMR or meditation video before I go to bed. The second tip is remember that if you wake up early, your life gets easier. You don't want to be in struggle, right? Yesterday I woke up late because I pressed the snooze button. I woke up early actually, but I took a nap. So I just set a timer. I'm gonna wake up like after 1 hour, but I just sleep like more than 1 hour. My plan was changing, so I was in a hurry to get ready to go to work. It made me really anxious because I was worried about being late. I had a long day yesterday, to be honest, because I woke up late. So just remember that if you wake up early, your life gets easier. This lesson I learned that 4 years ago. I went to the States for studying and I traveled alone, so I stayed, in hostel. There are free breakfast. So in the morning when I woke up late, there are no free food, and always the bathroom was packed with other travelers, so I couldn't get warm shower. So that was hard. So I learned that if I wake up early, my life gets easier. So just remember that. My third tip is preparing breakfast before the day. So before I go to bed, I think of my breakfast. I'm excited to have breakfast, so I always think of my morning smoothie, and that makes me wanna wake up in the morning and keep my ass off from my bed. So prepare your favorite food as a breakfast. Well, it's easily to postpone like going to gym because I have no energy after working, after seeing my friends, so I just go to gym in the morning, and then I come back home and I just have some coffee and favorite foods as breakfast. That makes me so happy. And after working out, you're hungry, so that makes your breakfast the way more delicious. And my fourth tip is, it's not my tip personally, but one of my friends told me just drinking a bunch of water that makes you want to go to the bathroom in the morning. I tried, but for me, I woke up like at 2 a.m. That's kind of annoying. I'm working on this stuff. Don't open Instagram. When I open Instagram in the morning before getting my things done, I'm kind of sad because sometimes it's hard to wake up because oh damn, there are so many things I have to do. Things. When I see my Instagram, every people look happy and they look cool, look good, like they have perfect life, they go traveling, they are dating, they are like having fun with their friends, they go to a cool place, they're having awesome food. Damn, I just have so many to-do lists today. That makes me sad. That doesn't make me feel good. And my last tip is preparing outfit before going to bed that makes me so excited to wear that outfit the next day. So that makes me want to wake up. Also like makeup or hair, you know, those kind of stuff, that makes me want to motivate to wake up. What's your favorite item? For me, I love skirt, I love leggings, I love leather thing, I love like earring. Whenever I feel like kind of not motivated, bored about everything, whenever I feel like that, I just give earrings as a present for myself. Those are my tips, so hope it helps. Down below which tips are helpful and just sharing your tips. I also really enjoy that. So I'm doing my best to share good things for good life. I also have my music channel, so you can check out the link in my description box below. Thanks for watching it and have a beautiful, great, wonderful day. Bye.